Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your KYC and bank linkage so trades settle cleanly. Once done, open Dhan, go to Settings and enable SuperTrade, accept the margin and risk prompts shown. Next, fund your margin account or transfer money from your linked bank. Check the available buying power on the SuperTrade dashboard. These steps unlock leverage and product access, so make sure balances reflect before moving to position selection. Next, you pick the instrument, equity, option, or futures, and review LTP, margin, and available leverage. Then set the order type, market for immediate fills, limit for price control, or SL/SLM for stop entries. Enter quantity and select leverage level. Before sending, review the margin required, estimated break-even and potential P and L so you understand risk and reward. If everything aligns, confirm the order. Dhan will reserve margin and display the live position in the SuperTrade tab. Finally, manage open positions from the SuperTrade screen. Use close or modify to exit, apply trailing stops, and set exit targets to lock profits. Keep an eye on margin alerts. If a shortfall appears, add funds or reduce leverage immediately to avoid auto-square off. If an execution or placement fails, first verify your internet connection, confirm sufficient margin, and recheck order parameters. Also make sure the app is updated. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues fast and keeps trades under control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.